Hello to all of my peeps out there. When it comes to giving our characters an age, things can get kind of confusing, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
However, there are certain traits to be found in the different age ranges that help us to make a more realistic character if we keep them in mind. So what I'm going to do is in the next couple videos, I'm going to share those traits with you. Today's topic of study is children, ages 5 through 12. And before we begin, I have 2 notes for you. First note, I am drawing in the Clip Studio Paint drawing software. Second note, think round when it comes to drawing children, because everything is moldable, everything's still growing, everything's still developing for them. And now we can move on to the specifics. The most obvious features are going to be found in the face, and so kids have bigger eyes. Their facial features are closer together vertically, chubby cheeks, circular round ears, and for the jawline, very slight definition. So a curve or a minor pointy chin. Because keep in mind, all their teeth have yet to come in, and the teeth are what gives you the defined jawline as an adult. Next, we have the body. Whether we think about it or not, the body shape plays a major role in determining age. Imagine for a second if we take the little boy's head that we just drew and we put him on top of a hulking body. I don't like where this is going. A child's body is not going to be nearly as developed as an adult's body. So take away those lats, take away those abs too for that matter. It's going to be more compact and thinner. And as far as height goes, we typically draw them between 5 to 7 heads tall. All right, that's all I've got for the kids' characteristics. Let's go over that list one more time, shall we? For the face, the eyes are going to be big. The facial features are going to be closer together vertically. We're going to have chubby cheeks, round ears, and a very slightly defined jawline. For the body, we're going to have more underdeveloped, compact features, and he's going to stand about 5 to 7 heads tall. I hope these tips help you make more realistic cartoon kiddos. As always, thank you peeps for watching this video. If you approved of what you just saw, I highly recommend you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to influence the content of my future videos, check out my art accounts on X or Instagram or both, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!